Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to put multiple pictures on widgets on your Android device. So let's start. First, long press on the home screen and tap on Widgets. Now tap on Keep Notes widget and select Note List. Long press the widget and drag it to your home screen. Now you have to select your Gmail ID. Then tap on Pin Notes and your widget is ready. Now tap on the plus icon. You can select any one of these. I'll just move on with text note. Now tap on the plus icon on bottom left corner and select Add Image. You can also take a direct photo. I'll just select a few pictures from here. Now tap Select on top right corner. Now tap on the pin icon at the top of the screen. And you are done. Now I'll just remove all other pin posts. And you'll see your pictures here. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.